Rustic rose, magical dreams that soar, castles, crowns, and stories told. Rustic rose.
Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen friends, I wanted to come on here real quick because I had a viewer recently asked me if I had ever done or made a unicorn. And of course the answer was no, I had never done a unicorn. And lo and behold, I'm out there doing my thing, shopping, seeing what I could find. And guess what I found? I found a unicorn. So you know what? I picked it up, brought it home, and I thought, let me see what we can do with this. Anywho, I'm going to insert a photo so you can see a before and after, so you can see what it looked like before. And but I want to show you how it turned out and what it looks like, and I'll talk you through what I did. So anywho, if you're ready, here we go. So anywho, there was a picture of the unicorn here. I went ahead and sanded it down, got it all cleaned up, and got all the yuck and glue and stuff off of it. And then I went ahead and put a coat of the Waverly Snow White chalk paint. And of course, you know, I used my pouncer. This is going to be your little friend. So, and then once I did that, let it dry thoroughly, I went ahead and picked out the colors that I wanted, and this is what I did. Let me bring it in close so you can see. Isn't it cute, friends? I thought it turned out so cute. You know what? Sometimes the Rustic Rose impresses me. So anyway, I just had to come on here and show it to you real quick. And so I did make a pattern. I drew my pattern so I would know where all the lines were, and the original one, eyes were closed. And so anyway, I went ahead and designed it the way I wanted it. And so of course, again, after I put my Waverly chalk paint, let it dry, I just went in with the colors that I wanted to use, I wanted to do, and I wanted to make sure it was nice and bright and cheerful. And I thought this would be so cute for a little girl's room. And the other thing I thought of, you know, it is a door hanger, but I was thinking, how cute would this be if you put a little photo of a little girl who might be having a birthday and put the date on there so she'll always remember, and then go ahead and display it and hang it in her room. You can always add a hanger to it or prop it up on a stand, put a block in the back. Anywho, friends, I just had to come on here real quick and show you how cute it turned out. The only other thing I did as far as the detailing, I went ahead and used my angled brush, and then of course I used my my little chalk marker that I always like to use to put the white highlights in her eyes and around her. And then the black, I just used my black Sharpie and went around it and for some of the detailing work. And friends, that's all I did. Anywho, I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you what I did, what I picked up, and how I elevated it. Anywho, friends, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. And don't forget to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to sprinkle me out. And until we see each other again, take care and bye-bye.